Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys, to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe, guys. If you have a Hyundai Santa Fe, you need to remove or replace the upper engine cover, guys. Stay with us, we will explain how it attaches, how you can safely remove it, and what to do to make sure you can safely install it again. So all that will be covered in this video today. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016, guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything, guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools, guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. We have helped more than 110 million people, guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this specifically, guys, this is a engine out of a 2013 Hyundai. This is the engine cover that we're talking about. You need to remove that engine cover for multiple repairs. For instance, spark plugs, ignition covers, guys, PCV valves, valve cover gaskets, multiple things. Let's say camshaft position sensor on the intake side and the exhaust side. So how it attaches? Usually it has 4 bushings, guys, in each corner. So grab on one side, pull up, then another side, gently pull up, and you can see those bushings, they actually attach. Okay, those are the rubber bushings, 3, 4, and they attach to these posts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, guys. Okay, where is number 4? Right here. So you can see now, if it's really stuck, sometimes those bushings may come out. Okay, they may come out, and what can happen, let me explain now to you, that could be the case with yours. Okay, in some cases they may come to the point that this thing is actually stuck on the thing. Okay, so in that case, what you need to do, grab it, pull it out, and you need to reinsert it, guys. Okay, let me pass it here so we can reinsert it. It goes in a canal and it needs to go on the cover, not on the thing here. It needs to be installed on the cover. You can actually apply a little bit of protectant and wipe the dust so it can easily come in and out next time. And when you are ready to install it, it's pretty simple. You need to align everything. Okay, you're going to feel it, make sure the hole here for the oil is here, and push down until each side is locked up. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.